Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing another demo on the PineNote, but this time I'm going to go through all of the features. I didn't do that last time. I only went through the new update with the pen, but today I'm going to go through everything that you can do with the PineNote and show you how it works and how well it works. Maybe this could help decide if you would like to purchase one, but yep, we'll get into it now. When you first start your PineNote, you'll come to this screen and it'll auto start for the first 3 boots. This is getting started and your user guide and contribution information. So the user guide tells you all about the Gnome extension updates, drawing performance, if you want to improve that and all that. And it gives you a lot of really important information. So I do recommend having a look at this once you get your PineNote. There's a lot of very important stuff, troubleshooting, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth updates, your e-paper modes, touch gestures, all that good stuff. There you go, and it will auto start for the first 3 boots. That may be annoying, but I do recommend you guys read it. This is the Gnome interface. This is what will come with your PineNote. It's usually used as a desktop interface, but it works really well in this case as a tablet interface. You're able to just tap around like this, go to the launcher, just like you would on a desktop. There you go. It works really fast in black and white dither mode, which is just black and white, no grayscale. And you've got grayscale mode, which is more shades of grey. There's also performance and quality mode. So if you want better quality or better performance, you can change that pretty easily just from the top there. You can also do things like you can just drag things to other workspaces like you would on the desktop. There you go. That works pretty well too. So you can see my specs here. There we go. Overall, I think the interface works really well. It's really quick. And I have no issues, really. Other than maybe when tapping doesn't work, I keep on tapping when it's in select mode. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with the choice of the Gnome interface. Okay, let's move on to the next section. For book software, I have chosen to use Foliate as my demo. I've got a book here that I got from Humble Bundle, and I can press just on here, and it'll load up the EPUB file. So I'm just using an EPUB. I'm not sure if you can use a PDF. I'm sure you can, but I'll just use this for now. So it works really well. I just scroll like this. It does have animations, but it's not very, it doesn't hinder me too much. Go for reading and then do it. And text scales really well with Foliate. It's a good program, so I just put my pen here as well. You get all of your contents. And if I want to get rid of that, there we go. And to bring up the menu, you just got to hover over the top bar, well, where it would be. I think this works pretty well. Text scaling is good, and the speed is good. Really performant, really nice. Next, I want to have a look at taking notes with the pen. This is Gnome++, another default program on the PineNote, and this is a writing application, so you can write your notes in here, note taking. So note, oh, can't believe I did that. So this works really well. You've got lots of things that you can do. I think you can change the type of ruling, so I want it like that, plus, here we go, and so I can write in the lines, in the ruled lines now. I think this is a nice program, and also, as in the last demo, if you didn't see this, you're able to use pressure sensitivity, so I can go really lightly or I can press really hard. The performance is really good with the pen. If I go into grayscale mode, so that's where you get more depth, more variation. There we go. Cool. And it looks a lot smoother, a lot nicer in this one. It still works really well. It's still very fast. And I can draw an apple. And it works really well. There's a lot of other settings too. You know, you've got your eraser. As you saw, I'm able to erase things, so just by using the other end. So this is with the new pen as well. I'm not sure what the there we go, what the old pen is like. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this quick demo of the PineNote. It's a really neat device and I really enjoy using it. I'm going to be using it for my study this year. Really good for note taking, and I can just store it all on my Nextcloud, so I'm pretty happy. I don't have too much else to say about this device right now. I'll probably continue bringing out a few videos about this device. There's still some things I want to do with it, and show off with it. And yeah, I'll see you in another video. We'll see you later.